Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about the nouns numbers. So let's start our lesson. Some nouns that can be counted and some others are those which cannot be counted. The nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns and the nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. So, accountable nouns can be one or more than one. Therefore, there are two numbers in English language, singular number and plural number. Singular number, a noun that denotes one person, place or thing is said to be in singular number. For example, boy, child, book, fort, etc. Plural number, a noun that denotes more than one person, place or thing is said to be a plural number. In plural number, for example, bats, children, teeth, fate, etc. Generally, proper, material and abstract nouns have no plural numbers. Only common and collective nouns have plural forms. Only some of the abstract nouns have plurals. For example, ideas, duties, etc. Rules for formation of plurals. Let's learn rules of formation of plurals, how we can changing the numbers. Number first, by adding s to the singular nouns. Example, book, books, boy, boys, door, doors. Number 2, by adding es to the singular nouns ending in ch, s, sh, ss, x or o. Example, bus, buses, bench, benches, class, classes. Most nouns ending in o. Nouns ending in o usually form their plurals by adding es. Example, mango, mangoes, hero, heroes, mosquito, mosquitoes. However, some nouns that end in o form their plural in the normal way. Means ending in o add s only. Example, bamboo, bamboos, photo, photos, radio, radios. Nouns ending in f or fe change their f or fe into ves. Example, calf. In singular, in plural, we can change f into ves, calves, calf, calves, life, lives, wife, wives. However, some words ending in f form their plural in the normal way. Example, chief, chiefs, dwarf, dwarfs. Nouns ending in y after a consonant form their plurals by dropping y and adding ies. Example, army, armies, baby, babies, city, cities, fly, flies, fairy, fairies. Nouns ending in y after a vowel form their plurals by adding s only. Example, toy, toys, monkey, monkeys, key, keys. A few nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels of the singular. Foot, F-O-O-T, is changed into feet, F-E-E-T. Here inside vowel is double O and it changed into double E. Man, men. tooth, teeth, goose, geese, mouse, mice, omen, omen, loose, lease, washerman, washerman. Nouns consisting of several words add s to the main verb, like commander in chief, commanders in chief, passerby, passers by, maid servant, maid servants, son in law, sons in law, mother in law, mothers in law. Remember that the plural of manservant is men servants. Some nouns form their plural by adding an, en, or ren, or by change of vowels, like child, children, ox, oxen. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural numbers, like deer in singular, and in plural also we can write deer. Fruit, fruit, series, series, fish, fish. The singular form of fish or fruit does not change when they are of the same kind, but fishes and fruits are used in the plural form for the collection of different kinds of fish or fruit. Plural of some foreign words retain their original form. Example: axis, axis, radius, radii, phenomenon, phenomena, datum, data, basis, basis, syllabus, syllabi, medium, media, formula, formula, cactus, cacti. Numerals and abbreviations take smalls after them to form plurals. MP, MPS, MPs, MLA, MLAs, two, twos. Singular noun is a noun that refers to only one person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Plural noun is a noun that indicates that there is more than one person, animal, place, thing, or idea. Here is home assignment. That's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss about our next chapter. Thank you.